Hello, good day. So I'm reading the book Sino-Christian Theology by Pancho Lai from China, and the philosophical question it addresses is, how can Christian theology be articulated within the Chinese cultural and philosophical context without losing its without losing its core theological integrity? So in the book, Pancho Lai answers that Sino-Christian theology should be both understood as a theological and cultural movement, specifically an effort to reinterpret Christian thought in dialogue with Chinese traditions, especially Confucianism. So the author supports this by first stressing contextual hermeneutics, where Christian theology must be interpreted through Chinese concepts or categories rather than just Western terms. Second, by presenting mutual transformation, where both Christianity and Chinese culture reshape each other, and last but not the least, by bridging theological and cultural discourses, specifically situating theology within the modern Chinese intellectual norm, while also remaining grounded in Christian tradition. So the argument's strength lies in its two-way or creative two-way dialogue, showing that theology can be faithful and culturally embedded. However, its weakness lies in the risk of syncretism, meaning meaning to say integrating too deeply may erode core Christian commitments or doctrines, or even reduce theology to prevailing ideological Chinese discussions. So as a whole, Lai's argument supports my thesis that Chen can be understood as the living order that sustains and renews all things in harmony, since it shows how cross tradition dialogue can enrich and reinterpret cosmic principles without discarding their depth. That's all.